guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's still your girl Untombika Yise. Welcome to a channel here to guys. Yeah man, hey siyaphila push life. You understand? Yes, ugel onlethela indaba zakhe, ugel onlethela izinto agoa through zona. Ugel onlethela ubumnandi, ugel onlethela umgozi, ugel on keep ukubhoreka. That's me. Mara keep ukubhoreka because of why mina fanele ngigobe? Why fanele ngigobe? Hey, okay, shabuthini hlala udabeni like isikhathi asisekho. Please guys, ngicela ningifollowing on TikTok. Guys, ngikhona on Instagram ngukai_se on YouTube ngukai semkhona. Ngicela ningisubscribe-eleni, ngicela nishareni, ngicela nilike-eni, ngicela nicommenteni guys. Ningakhomenta everything oyifunayo ungayikhomenta. Like ukhomenta nanoma ungathi ngimubi, it's fine. Commenta ngicela ushare yonke umuntu, ngicela uyidlale e-TV yakini le video le, uyidlale yonke indawo emateksini, uyidlale yonke indawo. Ngiyacela guys, ngicela ukubuza like wonke umuntu ola emhlabeni uyaphila na, like kwenzakalani because understand mina sengisaba nokuyenza abangana basha or sengisaba nokungena ku relationship nomuntu engingamazi because of ngizozibuza ukuthi uyaphila na, umbona kanjani umuntu ophilayo, because let us say give me, can't believe, give me yabo, give me wozana ngizongicela ukuthi like kwenzakaleni actually. So okay, sharp February basivula vele esikolweni, March ngene ibook allowance yethu. Mangene ibook allowance yethu ngihamba vele nge-Shoprite ngisenga like igrocer, understand, ngi-student ngihamba ngithenga igrocer. Mangithenga igrocer, okay sham ngihlangana na this guy Shoprite, sebenza Shoprite, bekasebenza Shoprite. The time mina ngihlangana naye, na the time sisakhuluma bekasebenza Shoprite. Okay, sharp ngihlangana lo put lo vele like first time ngimbona wangismayela nami ngamsmayelela bengazi kwenzakalani, wayismayelelana manje because mina mangisamola umuntu outside ngumuntu ofasanye fast ebusweni ukuthi like ungajoyeli kabi, maka loya uvile wangismayelela ukuthi abantu noma ngamsmayelela ngalesa ukuthi kwenzakalani. And then wanginceda ngetrolley, ukuphusha itrolley, ngathatha izinto engizithathayo guys. That day ngithathe nezinto engingazidli, ngithathe nezinto zokuthi angeke abo croissant ngiyisaphi croissant mina res, ngiyisaphi mina croissant rs croissant or ngiyisaphi mina res. Ngithatha ama croissant, sengithatha wena ama cheese and bacon, sengithatha wena bo cheddar, wena bo muesli. Hey, bekunyiwa kanti ngaze sisolo mangifike res, ngaze sisolo because of bengizama uimpress ukaya ukuthi no, I'm that girl. Understand? I'm a cranberry juice, I'm that girl. Loyal girl. Okay, shabang pushel trolu kuyangichaza nami ngiyahleka. Sengikhola isikhathi siyahamba phela ngisashop. I think ngibe kule ya shop leya for 2 hours. eShoprite ngispend 2 hours nasathenga grocery. Ngiloko ngichaza umfana lokho angihlekisa nami, aloko angicomplimentar, aloko angitshela the way mina sifanelana ngakhona, angitshele the way. You understand? Hayi, okay, shabu. I ngithenga igrocery and then after that ngihamba ngiya-rest that day. So mangifika rest ngicela umngane wami ngithi yo kulakho like I feel like love at the first sight. Yeah, when they are talking about love at the first sight bakhuluma ngaleyo mfana loya nami. Ayikhinte nje, ayikho into angeke siklike kangaka singazani, angeke siklike kangaka singazani. Sharp ngihambe vele like ubabona every day man ngicabanga ngaye, like ngicabanga nokuzisa emall, ngingafuni next, ngicabanga ukuyothenga into engazifuni ngingazidingi, like ngiyamkhumbula ngiyamcabanga, ngicreate ama scenario ngathi hayo guys, super weak ntombazana, super weak, maka weak ngumfana ongangazi, ngumfana engamazi. Sizoyithina ebantwini, ngi-explaina ngithini ebantwini, ngichaza ngithini le feeling enginayo ebantwini. Bazothi ngidilulu, bazothi abantu angiphilanga kahle. I'm sure nomngane wami futhi Nkosi yami mngane wami singiyamsupporta ngoba nje maka hayi girl kwenzakalani, kwenze njani. Like ngamthanda umfana ngicela ukumazi, like love at the first sight, like ngiyabelieve nami. Hayi, okay sharp ukuhambe vele amalanga. I was like no, avoid leyo feeling leyo. I-avoid nje because ayikho into ezoyenza, i-avoid. Okay sharp andlule uMarch, April vele isikhathi ukuthi ngithi ngingene imali ensifasi, ngithi yazini ngiya eShoprite, angisafuni uku-order nase-Pick n Pay, angisafuni ukuya nase-Boxer, ngiya eShoprite. Ngisifunela mina yena, ngisifunela ukuzibonela yena. Ngihamba ngaya eShoprite, langa lelo bekangasebenzi, ngathi bekangasebenzi but like bekangekho, like shit amandla wamangaka ukuza la ngizela lo mfana lo ngazeli ngizela yena enhle ngizela yena ngathi yazini ngithenga into e1 mina ngiyabuyela res ngathenga isinkwa that day befanele ngirefile ini grocery yami bangasana kudla ngathenga isinkwa ngihamba ngaya res and then on Wednesday Monday on Wednesday ngabuyela futhi Shoprite ngathi yazini lana ngizoze ngimcele mina kuma manager ukuthi ngicela bangiphe ischedule sakhe sokuthi ungena nini because ayikhi feeling enje ayikhi feeling enje la ngixaxaleyo beka khona that day I was like yeah wena ukuphi wonke lamalanga lawa and he was like why you stuck here like understand like that feeling why you stuck here why you stuck ufunani ubone kanjani ukuthi bengithi hayi bengizile on Monday so angibonanga so I was like philo guy lo nihliziyo enhla uzongikuka isigrocery athi hayi imloke hayi siphinde into like sibe romantic amol guys naye akasana ndaba nokuthi uyasebenza like sibe romantic eshop angisethi isigrocery futhi athi sengiyazi ukuthi uthandani lapho kusami angizelanga ukuthi uzothenga ama croissants mina ngizelanga ngizothenga amakwini ama croissants oyini lezi zinto ngathi sinko ngathi buns lezi so angizelanga ngizothenga zonke lezi zinto lezo mina ngizele yena angizelanga nje futhi nakhona if bengizothenga croissant bengizelanga abo croissant angidle croissant guys uyadura le nto leya ngithi okay thatha ngasananda bana ukuthi imali miyaphela yonke baka like angithathela izinto engizifuna guys bengi in love nomuntu ongangazi bengi in love okay sharp that day athi give me can you please give me your numbers I was like yazini yabona if beka ngihlize ngithi yabona if beka ngayishongo leyo nto leyo bengizozisholo yona mina bengizoziconfessela ukuthi ngicela ama number wakho but because why ungenza nje hi okay sharp athi hi futhi ama numbers angofuna nje ama number wakho ngicela ungiphe your insta handle angimthaphele insta handle yami angene kuyo vele athi you're so beautiful like ngiyayithanda lento engiyibona I was like thank you vele mina ama pictures on Instagram like I understand like ngiyabonakala ukuthi asengathi intombazane nje enengcondo ngathi intombazane nje ephilile ekhanda okay sharp into engayiyenza ukuthi angipressanga le follow button ukuze ngimbone futhi nami ukuthi obani umuntu lo ngamsearchela i-account yami okay sharp wayibheka wathi ngizokutext hayi ngajabula vele that day ukuthi okay at least ugayi uzongitext at least sizoba connected somewhere I understand sizoba connected somewhere hayi sharp ngahamba that day okay mangifike eRes ngalinda i-text yakhe ngayilinda ebusuku phela hayibo ngayilinda la nix i-DM sengena nama like sengizonda nama DMs amanye angenayo ku Instagram because ngiyaphangisa ngifuna ukubheka ukuthi like ubani lo ngishesha ungena ku Instagram because of ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ubani akusuye na lo akusuye na ayangenza sharp okay ngimele vele kudlule 2 weeks angangitext ngithathi ngizohlanya mina phela mina la ke manje ngizohlanya mina ngizogoa crazy ngizohlanya mina because like I can't nje ngizohlanya ngithathi ngithi ngihambe ngeboxer umfana lo ungijoyela kabi lo mfana lo ungijwayela ngizocela ama number wakhe phambi kwe manager ungijwayela kabi mina lo mfana angangifolisa amacida angitext amacida ngicela ama number amacida kayini next zingivuka because nami ziyangivuka mase zingivukile ngikhona ukuzicontrola nami ngihambe ngeShoprite around 8 like kusavula nokuvula mina ngihamba ngeShoprite kuna this other day because like I think I was vlogging so mangivloga ngamshuta ngemistake wavela vele ukuvloga but akuvele kancane understand uvele kancane but uyakhona ukubona ukuthi ubani lo hayi okay sharp ngihambe ngeShoprite so manje ngeShoprite hayi ngithola security ninjani hayi wangibulisa vele ngijabona ngithi ngiyaphila ngathi ngicela ubona imanager uthi okay sharp wangisa ku manager vele maka ngisa hayi vele ngathola loya sisiloya like she was very kind sis ngithi sabona sisinjani athi ngiyaphila wena ngiyaphila ngithi ngisacela uguy osebenza la bathi uzibani athi ubani ngithi uzibani asinomuntu onjalo la thina box la I'm sorry eShoprite asinamuntu onjalo la eShoprite I was like hi but usebenza lana and benginaye on Monday benginaye asubani ngathi hayi asinaye wabiza omnye umuntu the cashier osebenza lapha athi uyamazi umuntu bathi uzibani la, maybe mina ngimazi or maybe umazi ngelinye igama, athi angimazi sis, athi awunasithombe sakhe. Hayi ngibheke vele ama-videos wami, ama-video wami lobo ngiwathatha ngithi nangu guy, phathi lo guy asinamuntu osothini osebenza la, sina staff esinje. Ngithi anina staff esinje kanjani because Monday besila so ethu sinkhozana. Bathi asina staff esinje sisi. Athi lo manager ayi sisi ngiyambona but like thina asina staff esinje, asina staff esinje, asikazi nje, asina pheka, asina kesha enje, angimazi mina lo mfana ngimazi. Ngazi ngumuntu osebenza lapha like angimazi. Like I feel like sibise like nabafana bayi3 maybe bangihamba bangani bakhe bazokhonza but asimazi. Abamazi bona lo mfana bacala ukumbona abamazi. Okay shapho ngathi ngicela ungibonise like i-CCTV ya Monday, ngiyacela around 9, 10, 11 lapho ngiyacela because like maybe singamthola. Angibuza ukuthi Alex ufunani kulomfana lo kangaka, ufunani kuye? Akufanelanga ngicamba manga because of akufanelanga ngicamba manga. Ngathi mina yo that day bekangisiza ngegrocery so bekufanele ngimnike i-1000, ngimbone i-1000 wathi uzoyiletha today and imali yami grocery and ngi-student in namse ngiyakhala lapha kuze bangibone CCTV, kuze bangibone footage yabo. Bathi awu siyaxolisa sisukuzwa leyo nto, we are sorry, bahamba bathi ngicela ubuye kusasa sizokukhomba ngicela ubuye kusasa. I was like okay sharp. Mase ngitsendele like inhliziyo yami iba buhlungu manje ukuthi like lo muntu ngiyahlanya, like kwenzakalani, ngiyahlanya na, kwenzakalani, like what, like the problem into engibhora ukuthi ukhona kuma videos wami uyavela kancane but like abantu abamazi uphana ohlanyayo enhle kwenzakala. Hey kwenzakalani guys, kwenzakalani lo sisi lo uthe kimi akusi video yakudala, like i-video yakudala kanjani lena, i-video yakudala kanjani mangimkhombe i-date beyithi Monday, i-video yakudala kanjani but maybe akusile moli le kulana guys. Angikhanyi, I'm not crazy, I'm not mad. Nani niyasibona isithombe, nani niyasibona hayi. Okay sharp, ngibuyele the following day. Mangibuyela okay sibheke vele sibheke mangithi siboni next, angizange nami ngaye moli, ayivezi ukuthi ngile mina kulapha ngingenile Shoprite that ayivezi nix. Hayibo, I was like what's going on here, kwenzakalani? Mase siyabheka mase angiveli ukuthi ngile moli, angiveli emoli yap, angiveli next, angiveli. Mangithi ngifuna ukubuyela like ku video le, ayisekho naleyo video leyo, ayisekho i-video, angiveli. I was like kwenzakalani, what's going on, like what's happening? Am I losing my mind now? Like ngiyahlanya na. This is lo uthi hayi i-video sibonile so kwenzakalani, uyidelethile, kwenzakalani ntombazana, like what, like sengathi ngiyahlanya manje, sengathi angazi kwenzakalani na today angimbonanga lo, angazi kwenzakalani. Like mangifika rest ngavela ngathandaza ngathi Nkosi ngiyakucela isipoko lesibingisibona, isipoko lesibingisibona or sengiyahlanya or kwenzakalani, what's happening, kwenzakalani. Hayi guys mina ngisabelieve bantu like ngisabelieve like kuzoba nzima for mina ukuthi ngibelieve umuntu after lento engoye through. Angikhona ukuyicecela umuntu because uzothi hayi ntombi hayi wena hayi nomngane wami ngikaze ngamtshela ukuthi ngile mole Shoprite kwenza, angizange ngamtshela nje. So guys angazi ukuthi what's happening, angazi angikaze ngayibona into enje e-life yami, angikaze ngabona into enje e-life yami, angikaze ngayibona, angifuna mamanga. Hayibo, for the fact ukuthi benginaye lo muntu every day, every time manye Shoprite ngiyothi ngicruise bekanginceda and then after that uyanyamalala. Hayo to go is to see guys, please ngicela nibe safe, za exist ipoko, za exista ipoko la ngaphandle, za exista ipoko, zikhona ipoko, zikhona yimi long share story, zikhona ipoko. So guys please ngicela nithandaze, pray mawusuka endlini, thandaza ukuthi imimoya emibi idlalele kude nawe, into sizibonayo la ngaphandle futhi samsincane ezami zincane. What if bekazile, sengiyacama ukuthi like what if bekazile la rest, What if siphushe into serious? What if? So guys, please be safe, man. Yo, I'm traumatized. I don't know. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah. Ngicela udlale emateksini, ngicela udlale emsebenzini, ngicela udlale esikolweni, aye esikolweni bazokuthatha ifoni dlane esikole. Yeah. Ngicela udlale emateksini, ngicela udlale everywhere emsebenzini, TV yakini manibhorekile. Understand mangana next uyibhekelela, niyangibhekelela. Understand? So yes, guys, I love you so much. Don't forget follow on Instagram. Ngukayi_se. KAYI_S